Dark knees and dark elbows. Who hasn't suffered this? It is so common amongst us with melanin-rich skin. But do you know what really causes it and how you can solve for it? Let's dive down. There are three main reasons why you start getting darker elbows and darker knees. First, both elbows and knees are hinge joints, which means that when you pull them in, the skin stretches, and when you pull them out, the skin actually folds, and that folding itself gives rise to a darker appearance as compared to something which is normally stretched over your hand. This is compounded by the second reason. The second reason is simply lack of good moisturization and dryness in this area that leads to a scaly appearance. Most of us ignore moisturizing our elbows and knees on a daily basis, and over time it leads to a buildup of dry skin over here, which gives it a scaly and dark appearance. And finally, and this is more applicable to the knees, while growing up, all of us have fallen and hurt our knees, grazed it, and any form of wound or injury in melanin-rich skin individuals will lead to hyperpigmentation. And this hyperpigmentation, if not treated, over time accumulates along with tan and leads to a dark appearance. So how do you treat this? There are 4 steps that you can take to slowly restore the original color of your elbows and knees. What are these 4 steps? First, exfoliation. The dead skin accumulated in these joints because of the hinge nature of it needs to be exfoliated regularly. So use an AHA based exfoliant like a glycolic acid, or if your skin is dry, a lactic acid regularly. Twice a week or even daily will go a long way in ensuring that there is no skin buildup over here which is darkening these patches. Second, a good moisturizer, and use it 365 days a year. A good moisturizer must contain ceramides, it should have humectants like a glycerin or urea, and even something like a coconut oil on a regular basis can go a long way in ensuring that these dark patches start lightening up and don't get darker. Third, please use an anti-pigmenting active like a kojic acid or a tranexamic acid or an alpha-arbutin if your darkness is being caused by injuries that have left hyperpigmentation marks. Use this in the night on a daily basis, and over time you will see these marks fade away. And finally, using a sunscreen in addition to whatever you're doing in the first 3 steps will go a long way in reducing the overall darkness in these patches. Use SPF 30 or more, and preferably with an antioxidant which will hasten the overall results for you. Now please remember that dark elbows and knees did not happen overnight. They came over a period of time, and similarly even for them to go back to their original color, it will take time. It will take minimum 3 to 6 months or sometimes even a year. So be persistent and be consistent with your skincare routine.